Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let me show you how to make chicken and filled peppers. I've got boneless chicken thighs. I'm taking away the excess skin and I'm going to season them with strawberries shake on barbecue seasoning that I got from John over at Rivet Gardeners. It was really good, I can tell you beforehand. Anyway, I season on both sides, then I trim off the rest of them. This is going to make 6 meals, 4 dinners and 2 lunches, and for that we needed 8 thighs, and that was what was in the package. So anyway, I've got about 15 button mushrooms here that I'm slicing up, adding to a skillet where I'm melting some butter. I'm cutting off about 1.5 pounds of cabbage, chopping that into small chunks, and that as well I'm putting in a skillet with half a stick of butter. Halving the peppers, removing the core and the white membranes, but it's up to you if you want to do that or not. I am, more or less. I'm not using a knife or anything. Cutting up 2 packs of bacon, that's about 15 strips, and frying that after the mushrooms. Once it's rendered out the fat, I'm adding the mushrooms back, and then when that's cooked together, I'm adding it to the cabbage, which has now started to get translucent. The chicken is at the moment in the oven at 200 Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit, and it's been there for about 15 minutes. In an oven safe pan, I'm adding the cabbage, which is more or less done, and then I'm using it as a bed for the peppers because I've got a little bit too much filling anyway. So I'm just filling them all up, and then they go into the oven as well. They finish off with the chicken for another 30 minutes. So in total, the chicken was in the oven 45 minutes and the cabbage about half an hour. Anyway, serve it on a plate and try it and you like it. Okay, there we go. Some strawberries shake on barbecue seasoning. Thank you, John, Rivet Gardener. I'm going to link him today as well. This is the spices and this is the chicken. As promised, that worked really well together. Really nice spice. Thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy this. Have a good day. Bye.